Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm a Hyundai apprentice, and the last couple of days I've been working in my Hyundai uniform. I got told off for doing that. I'm 3 months into my apprenticeship and definitely don't know what I'm doing. It's not their fault. Anyway guys, enjoy the video. I'm so excited. On this video, I'm going to be replacing this tiny little clutch in my Cappuccino. Just a warning, I've never done this before and I have an idea of what I'm doing, but you're coming along for the journey. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Well, I'm going to start by taking this off, and then maybe the exhaust, and then this little heat guard from the exhaust to the drive shaft, and then the drive shaft, and then drain the gearbox, bolts to the bell housing. Oh well, let's get started. Hello again, it's me coming from the future. I'm just coming to say, if you want to do this, these are the tools you're going to need. 15, 12, 10, 8, 14 ratchet, because your top bell housing bolts are a complete pain in the ass without one of those. 14, 12, gearbox oil, lots of extensions, more than just one. One of these swivelly type things, and a couple screwdrivers. So I've just stopped for a second because that's the fill plug for the gearbox, and as you can see, it's not very healthy. So I called Hayden, who has a Cappuccino, and he said that's okay, just drain it out of there, and then when you got the gearbox out, smack something into that and open it then. So that's what we're gonna do. Smells really yummy. That's weird. I think now I gotta pull the glove box out and get the shift linkage from on top. It looks like you could almost unbolt it just from 2 of the linkages there, but I think the way to go is from on top, so will I try that? I'm gonna wash my hands before I touch it inside though. One day I'll get a normal sized car and then this won't be as awkward. Surprise, surprise, I'm confused again. I'm going to put it back up and see if I can just disconnect the linkage sort of underneath. I don't even know if I needed to take that out. Oh well. Up we go. Whoops. I need to start a counter for the times that I've dropped things. There's still one more bolt on the top of the bow housing. Hopefully I can get that now. It's way down there. I don't even know if you can see that. There. Progress. still got an earth wire attached. Good to know. Holy shit! Well, that was the stupidest and most stressful part of this so far. Fucking hell. No too south. Always have this thing ready. At least it's out. So it's a couple of weeks later now. I'm going to make this video into a 2 or a 3 part series. I'm not too sure. I finally got my computer fixed so I can start editing things again. Super stoked on being able to get the Gearbox out. That's half of it. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for part 2 that should be coming out any day now, or it might be out now. Have a good day. See you later.